Instead of guessing which backlinks matter, get a clear view of your client's link profiles and SEO authority. The Semrush Backlinks integration gives you detailed, reliable backlink insights in one place, so you can monitor link quality, spot opportunities, and support smarter SEO decisions. Let's start by quickly adding Semrush Backlinks to your client. Open the client where you'd like to use Semrush Backlinks. Then click the Data Sources tab at the top. Click Connect to Data Source, search for Semrush Backlinks, and select the Semrush Backlinks card. From here, click Connect New Account. In the pop-up window, sign into your Semrush account and approve access so AgencyAnalytics can securely pull backlink data, keeping reports accurate and aligned with each website you manage. With the Semrush Backlinks integration, you can easily track and manage backlink building for your clients, monitor follow and no-follow links, anchor text, linking pages, authority scores, and trust scores all in one place. Dive deeper into reports on referring domains, important anchor text, and referring IPs to evaluate link quality and uncover optimization opportunities. See how your clients' most important pages are being indexed to help drive organic search traffic and quickly spot trends that impact visibility and performance. You can also keep tabs on competitors by monitoring their backlink activity, giving you valuable context for smarter SEO and link building decisions. Looking to turn backlink data into actionable, easy-to-understand reporting? Start your free trial of AgencyAnalytics, the purpose-built platform agencies trust to deliver results.